This I made $1,000 day trading Nasdaq today on a top step eval account. Laukin. This was the news. Hold on, let's wait. Yeah, we had PPI at 8:30. That was it. Today was an interesting day because I thought about like taking short, like doing what I'm supposed to. I guess we'll get into it. But yeah, my overall bias for the day, basically it was pretty bullish till like this blue line, which is like 30-minute, whatever, 15-minute. No, what even is it, dude? It's a 4 hour. What the hell? I think it's wrong. But yeah, until a gap here and this gap up here were my main draws on liquidity. Although, we had PPI news data down here and news data highs up here. We took the highs at open and then we displaced further down, all the way down here, took this. We came back up. And we're kind of just in a range or displacing lower, right? So normally, when this happens, I would either not trade or look for a reversal up, which is stupid. I realized that. I don't always do that. I usually just don't trade, which is kind of dumb because I know where the market is going. I just don't enter on it because I restrict myself. But yeah, but today I did not. So we have, the daily profile. We come midnight open opens. We come up here, take this key level, and then then we come below midnight open, and we take the bullish draw, which is this 15-minute gap right here. This was the 15-minute draw, and then we reverse after this at open. Around here, when we displace this, like this displacement, I'm kind of switching my bias here because such a strong displacement downwards. We're coming back up, sure, but we're just respecting bearish price action here, especially when we had this 15-minute gap right here on ES, or it's an hourly gap, I think. No, it definitely is not. 15-minute gap on ES that wasn't filled, but it was on NQ, and it was just mega close. I guess it wasn't, but it was pretty obvious we were gonna take it, I feel like. And yeah, we had all these lows down here. There's all this low resistance liquidity after taking this external, or I guess this is also internal. Interior, what is this? Interior buy side up here, and then we come, or it's sell side, I guess. Interior sell side, and then we come and look for interior buy side here. All of these. So yeah, the entry, like pretty base. It's just from like all of that I just explained for a higher time frame analysis. Yeah, and just how it's moving. It's moving pretty just like it's just respecting price action. Like I was at least it's gonna take out this low. This is what I thought. It's at least gonna take out this low, maybe even this low. We displaced, we created a fair value gap, perfect. Also, this is an order block, but mostly entered off the fair value gap. We come into it. The reason I didn't enter here because I didn't see it in time, and then we displace further, and then we come back up. Or when I saw it, I basically entered on this retracement up here. We come up here to get a good risk reward. And then my stop was at the top of this, but I had to move it when it came here because it was gonna fill this, so I moved it like to here, a little above where it retraced, because I knew it's not gonna go higher than this. Or if it goes higher than this 1 minute gap, it's a reversal, and I'm just getting cucked, like I'm just wrong, so, which I'm not, so that's, I would be fine losing this if we just come up here, because that would mean I was wrong, because we didn't take this low and we just came back down to take data highs and then, or data lows, and then we come back up. But that's not what happened. I enter, I almost get stopped down here. I move my stop up here. Once we displace and close here, I move the stop to this because it's not going above here. And we just displace in 3 minutes all the way down. This was my final TP for a 2.6 R. But on the E value, you can't make more than 0.5% of... Yeah, like you can't make more than a 2R on 30 contracts. Or you can't make more than this. This is what it... 117 points, 30 contracts. Here's the proof. Yeah, you can't make more than 1,500 per day because... yeah, I'm too good, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, you can't do that. So yeah, that's the recap for today, man. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. Yeah.